What if I don't have an executor? Hi, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. So this question comes up frequently when people say, I don't know who I can name as an executor or personal representative in my will. And you might ask, well, how does that come to be? Well, it can happen if your family is overseas, for instance, if you are here from another country and you are developing your estate plan because this is where you reside, but all of your close family lives overseas, you may be hesitant to name one of them as your personal representative or executor. Or what if you're estranged from your family? Sadly, that happens more times than we would care to believe. Or there are situations where I have clients that come to me that do not have any living family around them, had no brothers and sisters, had no children, parents are gone, and so they don't have anybody that they can name. So what do you do in that situation? Well, you can nominate a close, trusted friend to be your personal representative. That oftentimes works, a work friend or a neighborhood friend. But obviously, they have to be somebody that you trust. Alternatively, you might look for an attorney who not only can help you write the plan, but is willing to serve as your executor or personal representative if the time comes. Now, if you're going to do that, you want to make sure that that attorney either is young enough, you wouldn't choose me, for instance, or has the bench strength in their firm such that they're going to be around for a while. That's one of the things to consider. So what are some of the issues with doing so, with naming a neighbor or a friend or an attorney? Well, first off, um, you also want to consider what happens if I'm incapacitated, that period of time where I can't make legal decisions, but I haven't yet passed away and the will take into effect. So that's going to influence who you choose. And lastly, if you're not using a family member, you need to be prepared to authorize them to receive payment for their services. That's one thing that we include in the will. And the good news is that is limited by statute, but still you have to consider that in terms of asking somebody to serve in that capacity. Again, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planner in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. If you don't have an executor, you want to talk about your estate plan, our information is at the end of this video. We'd love to be able to help clarify that issue for you.